Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video for our online dating mentoring series. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the difference between cold approach and online dating. Mainly, the thing is that if you're good at cold approach, that doesn't mean that you're going to be good at online dating. But there's a way how you can make that happen. And here's how you can get that happen. And here's what I discovered. Let's go. Welcome back guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kshitij and this week I'm going to be teaching you about online dating. And in today's video, let's dive right in and tell you the differences between online dating and cold approach pickup. So the thing is that I love cold approach. That's something that I absolutely love. That is something that has been very close to my heart. I've been doing that for almost a decade now and then coaching people for almost 4 years now. But the thing is that my success in cold approach did not mean that my success in online dating is going to be guaranteed. I had to go through a process to figure out how online dating works. But here's the good thing, here's the good part, that once you know about male to female attraction, once you know how attraction works, once you know the principles of cold approach, the principles of attraction, female psychology, how human beings function and what creates attraction, how to flirt with someone, how to start a conversation and how to sustain a conversation, it's gonna get fairly easy for you. But the rules of the game are going to be a little bit different, alright? So here's how I figured that out. The main problem that I had was that, when I used to go out there and when I used to talk to people in person, when I used to go to malls and clubs and approach people in person, it was very easy for me to start a conversation with them. Because there, what mattered more wasn't what I was saying, but the way I was saying, how my eye contact was. Was I a great talker? Was I having a great conversation? Did I know how to flirt with the girl? Did I know how to tease? Did I know how to convey a high value? Did I know how to talk in a loud tone voice, in a more commanding voice, in a more authoritative, in a more high value voice, how my body language was. So all these subcommunications mattered much more than what I was really saying there. But when it came to online dating, when I started matching with people or even, trying to match with people, I could not get matches because there was no way for me to convey my eye contact, my vocal tonality, my body language, my smile, my passion, my certainty, my flirty vibe, my flirty scenario, my high value personality or my confidence. Like there was no way I could convey that. So if I were to talk to a girl in person and be like, hi, I think you're cute. That comes off very different when you're saying it in person. You're looking at the girl in the eye and you're talking to her and you're cracking jokes, you're cracking funny jokes. But when you do the same on text, it's a little bit different because she does not know how you're saying it, what's the context behind it, what's the tone behind it, what's the main meaning behind it, what are the undertones out there. So those things go out of place. So I had a very difficult time texting people on dating apps or even matching with them. So I wanted to figure out how do I even convey my personality out there. And then I figured it out at the end. So even in online dating, what women were looking for was the same thing. They were looking for a personality, a fun, a high value, a adventurous guy, and they were looking to feel something. They were looking to feel some emotions. They wanted to be moved emotionally. Because the way attraction works is more emotional than logical. You cannot logically talk your way into getting a girl attracted to you or making sure that the girl is attracted to you by just having logical conversation. You cannot have platonic conversation to get that going. Even a friend-to-friend conversation will just land you in the friend zone. So how do you differentiate that? How do you convey your personality, your confidence, and how do you convey those emotions, that fun vibe, that flirty vibe on online dating? Here's what you do. And once you know this, your results with online dating are gonna go through the roof. It's gonna be crazy. You utilize the 3 most important things when it comes to online dating. Number 1, high value profile pictures. Aesthetically looking profile pictures that convey a personality. From your profile pictures, you can convey that you're a person who loves adventure, travel, who's funny. You can smile to show her that this is the personality you have. Or you can have James Bond style pictures and be all suave and shit, alright? Have model looking pictures. And it doesn't take much to click those kinds of pictures, alright? And I'm going to explain in the next video as well that how you can utilize online dating even if you're not a very good looking guy. We're going to convey that in the next video. But here, back to this video. So firstly is profile pictures. Secondly, the most underutilized thing ever for online dating apps is utilizing your bio. A well-crafted bio suited to your personality that has embedded DHVs in them, embedded demonstrations of higher value, embedded emotions that the girl can feel, that anytime she's reading your bio, she's gonna go through a certain set of emotions, the roller coaster of emotions, and be immensely attracted to you. And then the third thing, your texting. By just utilizing your profile pictures and your bio, your matches are gonna go through the roof. But once you finalize the final piece of the puzzle, your texting game, your opening lines, once you get that going, which needs to be in congruence with your other two things, your profile and your bio, your results with online dating are going to be crazy, are going to be phenomenal. And once I figured that out, you know, my results went through the roof. I started getting numbers like crazy. I started matching with people. 5 to 10 matches I started getting daily, all right? Like, I'm going to add some screenshots here, boom. Add one more, boom. Add a couple out here, boom, 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 boom. Numbers. From a lot of these screenshots, you can see how my results just transformed into this wild, crazy thing on online dating. And me just understanding by just making some certain tweaks. And if you want me to help you out with that, the secrets that I discovered for your profile pictures, your bio, your texting, and mentor you for the course of 8 weeks, and get you such crazy amounts of matches on dating apps, teach you about how to generate attraction on text, and go on more days than you can even handle, you've got to sign up for my online dating program. I've been talking about this. I put up a video yesterday as well. I just launched the program yesterday. Today is the second day of the launch. I'm going to be closing down the program this Sunday, which is going to be 11:59 p.m. at night, after which I will not be taking anybody else. You can sign up for the program by going to the link below. It's ironmanlifestyle.co/online dating, and go out there, complete the payment, sign up, and I'll see you inside the program. Also, if you've got any doubts about the program, any question that you want to ask, you can schedule a free call with me or my team where we're going to talk to you and clear out any doubts that you might have, and just make sure that the program is an amazing fit for you. If it's not, that's going to be completely fine. You can get off the call completely guilt-free, no fucking pressure from our side. But if the program is for you, I would urge you to definitely get on it. I've put in my heart and soul into making the program an amazing value for you. And it's going to be personal mentoring from me. We're going to be doing weekly webinars every week, 2 webinars every week, where I'm going to be reviewing your profile, your bio, your text game, showing you my text game in fields, my bio, how I set up my profile from scratch, and just discussing a lot of those things. It's going to be fucking crazy. For more information, to sign up for the program, go to ironmanlifestyle.co/online dating, or click in the link in the description box below. I will see you guys in the program. We've got a first webinar on Monday. I look forward to seeing you there. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, where we're going to be discussing how you can utilize online dating and get success with online dating, even if you're not very good looking. This is Kshitij signing off. Peace, boys.